Once upon a time, in a lush green valley nestled between towering mountains, there lived three friends: Uncle Gary the T-Rex, Deeno the Dino, and Whiskers the cat. Despite their differences, they all shared a common goal:
to protect their precious.
drinking water from harm. Uncle Gary was a mighty T-Rex, known for his strong jaws and keen eyesight.
He took it upon himself
To patrol the crystal-clear river,
that snaked through the valley.
ensuring that no harm would come to their water source. Deeno, the gentle giant, helped by testing the water quality with each splash of his powerful tail.
And Whiskers with her.
Nimble movements and remarkable whiskers prowled the banks, always.
Watchful for any signs of pollution.
One sunny day, dark
Clouds gathered overhead, casting a shadow over the valley. A group of mischievous trolls,
fueled by their wicked nature, appeared and dumped toxic waste into the river. Their act threatened to poison the water supply.
that sustained the
Life of the valley. Uncle Gary, Deeno
and Whiskers didn't.
hesitate. They sprang into action, their determination unwavering.
Uncle Gary let out a magnificent roar, shaking the ground.
Beneath the trolls' feet, with this show of defiance, he sent a loud message that their actions would not go unnoticed or unopposed. Deeno thrashed his tail with all his might, creating a tidal wave that washed away the pollutants and started to restore the purity of the water. Meanwhile, Whiskers darted between the trolls, distracting them with her swift and agile movements, diverting them from causing further harm. As the trolls retreated in fear, the valley erupted into a chorus of triumphant sounds. Uncle Gary's roar mingled with Deeno's joe, eyeful bellow and whisk. Air's contented purr. United and victorious, they stood tall. Their mission accomplished, Kirsty told they had succeeded in protecting their drinking water. From that day forward, the valley flourished, bursting with life and vibrant colors. The river once again sparkled under the warm rays of the sun, a testament to the unwavering dedication of these three friends who fought for a cause greater than themselves. And so as the stars twinkled in the night sky, Uncle Gary, Deeno, and Whiskers settled down by the river, basking in the tranquil victory they had achieved. With hearts full of contentment and pride, they knew they had made a lasting difference, not only for themselves, but for all the creatures that relied on the pristine water source. As the moon rose high above the valley, casting a soft and gentle glow, Uncle Gary, Deeno, and Whiskers drifted off to sleep. In their dreams, they continued to roam the valley, ensuring that its waters remained pure and untouched. They had created a legacy, one built on courage and friendship. Every night as the valley fell silent, whispers of gratitude filled the air. The gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing murmur of the river carried these whispers, expressing the appreciation from all who had been saved. Uncle Gary the T-Rex, Deeno the Dino, and Whiskers the cat had become the guardians of clean water, an example of unity and determination when faced with adversity. And as the first light of dawn illuminated the sky with hues of pink and gold, the valley awoke to a new day, brimming with promise and hope. All thanks to the unwavering efforts of three unlikely heroes who fought to keep their drinking water clean. So, dear children, remember the tale of Uncle Gary, Deeno, and Whiskers. Their story reminds us of the importance of safeguarding our environment and natural resources for generations to come. As you drift off to sleep, may you have good dreams, and remember to spread this message by liking, subscribing, and sharing the story with others. Good night and sweet dreams.